What up, y'all? It's your boy Ron, the Construction Warrior. Yo, and today I'm out here with Lexx Audio and Video Installation. We throwing up some security cameras over here in Heritage Village, in the old stomping grounds. To hang through here back in the day, back in the Westfield days. In fact, we on Falls Church. You know, so just so you know, over here in Heritage Village, right across from Rushwood, across from Camden Park, across from Buckville, baby, Northcliffe Manor. That's where I stay. So we're gonna get at it, show y'all what it do. Should be nice and fun. You see how we can do it for you. Randy gonna show me what go down. He already told me what I had to do over here, and then we got a couple more spots to do it. I'm about to put one up here in his garage, and he got two that's gonna go on back. I'll show you his two when I get done putting up mine. All right, y'all. Yeah, baby, it's going down. Need y'all check this out. Got the first wire in, and we'll poke through the attic, and I'm gonna have to get up there and pull it up in a little bit. Outside to inside, so we can drop it in another wall where the monitoring will be. All right, as you can see, it's super hot up here. I'm sweating like crazy. I actually kind of like this though. A little sauna action while I'm at work. Get the weight down a little bit. Geister. All right, I ran from back there. Got these two here, and trying to get them somewhere back there. I know what I'm looking for, so it's time to look. There go the other two. And I also found the drop location, which is right there. One of the sides of the beam right there. Right, baby. We all set up there. Ready to pull that through, set that box on in there. I'm done with this attic work. He done with the exterior. Let's get on inside. Where the AC at, baby. Camera number 1 is live and direct, and we're gonna come over here with camera number 2. Watch this, watch this.
Warning, you have triggered the alarm system. Your movements are being recorded.
That's live. All right, baby. And we got 2 more going on back here. Take and see what it do. That bad boy right there, catching that side of the house right there. Right up there, catching all this side over there. Talk security, baby. She all set, all the way around the house. We got it. Lexx Audio Video Installations, along with Ron Grant Consulting Services. We did that, baby. So let's check out the DVR. Lexx Audio and Video Installation, and he invited me on this job so I could come out and help him out. So I'm learning a little bit from the man over here himself, and definitely he got it going on with black business doing his thing. So let him tell you about what it is that we got going on here.
So right now we're installing 4 cameras for a customer in a small home, you know, 1 in the driveway, 2 in the backyard, 1 in the garage, so she can be more secure at home. So that's something that we enjoy doing, so where a customer feels secure when they hire us and know what we're doing, to make them feel more proud that they hire a black company to take care of their needs.
And did it right. And gave them exactly what it is they wanted,
and not with being overpriced.
Warranties and quality and good quality equipment. We're trying to come back, so we're trying to do it right. But if you needed us to, we'll be right back over here handling business.
Exactly.
To make sure that you got what you purchased. So.